Alright guys, a update on the old Triton. Still wet sanding, polishing, buffing. Been kind of busy at work, but my batteries came in today. The ionic lithium batteries and the charger. Please excuse the boat. It is dirty. I've been working on it, trying to bring life back into it. But what we are going to do is open up the boxes and see what we got. I've already started to open this one because I got excited. Excuse me, I've got a cold or something coming on. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah. That's nice. Got some screws, some fuses, extra fuses. Let's see what we have down here. I'm sorry, I'm not real good at videoing, so I'm just kind of winging it. This is unfiltered, not edited, none of that bullshit. Sir, that is pretty. That is so much more lighter. Keep the gel packs. Oh yeah. What do we have over here? Sorry about the finger. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna suck, but it'd be alright. Look at that. I had 3 of those, the 50 amp hour for my Fortrix. I think that's what I got, 36 volt. Let's see. Ultrix, I'm sorry. There we go. These things are going to be so much nicer and so much less weight in the back of this boat. I really can't wait. Get everything wired in. some people probably gonna say, why spend that kind of money in an old boat? Well, it beats spending $100,000 on a new boat. And this does the same thing. Might not look as pretty, it might not go as fast, but I can still fish out of it and enjoy myself. Maybe one of these days I'll figure out how to do this video and crap and have better videos if I decide to keep doing it. But I will not be editing none of this because, for one, I don't make enough videos to waste my time. And another is I don't care. All these thing YouTubers want to have someone doing the editing for them, and they don't want to do it. So they have perfect videos. But the world's not perfect, and neither am I. One more. These things are so much lighter. 14.6 volts. 14.1 pounds compared to 50 pounds per battery. I'll be losing a lot of weight because I had five batteries, 27 group, roughly 50 pounds a piece. And now I only have 3 of the 50s at 14.1 pounds, and then one 25. Let's see what this weighs. 31.96 pounds. Might as well say 32 pounds. That's gonna be so much lighter. And their charger, which is lighter than my Minn Kota I just took out. What I will do is, in the next video, I will weigh all these and get an idea on how much I'm dropping. Nice. That's real nice. I'm excited. I ain't gonna lie to this. Okay. And these are Bluetooth. That's one of the reasons why I chose to go with these, because of the app. Everybody has had good reviews on them. They appear to be really nice batteries. They're local to my state, the company is. Look at that. Look at that. I'm sorry. I can't do that with a 50-pound battery like I used to when I was younger. That's crazy. I'm sorry, guys. I got so much stuff going on with this boat. New fuel lines and fuel filters, and it's been neglected, and I'm trying to bring it back. But I think once it's done, it'll be a nice boat. Gonna get all new stickers. New decals here too. I'm gonna get new windshields for it. All new windshields, which I got the other one. It's back there. Carpet has been redone. I am planning on going with the sea decking probably if I decide to keep this boat after I'm done. Boat does have some decent grass, low rants, they're alright. Believe it or not, the boat runs really well. I done took it out a couple times. I could notice with all that extra weight in the back that it was having a hard time getting up on plane. Plus the fuel filter looked like it was coming to pieces and leaking real bad too, which I didn't know it. I think I've had this boat 3 weeks now, I think. And I haven't been really doing nothing with it because of work. And then fighting to get the titles for the boat through my state, which luckily all that's done now. I am planning on changing out the jack plate to a hydraulic, most likely to a 12-inch, and maybe a 1 or 2 talons is one of the big reasons why I'm going to lighter batteries, so I can put some talons on the back. There we go. Look at there. I really hope they work as well as they say they do. I'm pretty sure I will. Sorry I am kind of jumping all over the place here. I just don't do videos. I don't know where I should stay at, where I shouldn't stay at, where I should focus on, where I shouldn't focus on. But the videos will be based around this boat, bringing it back to life. If you want to like, share, and follow, that would be great. If not, I understand. If you do follow, I will follow back. Unlike most of these YouTubers, always want you to follow them, but they never want to follow you back unless you got 1 million subscribers. I think it's kind of ridiculous. If you love fishing, boating, anything outdoors, I'm going to try to get more of that content. Because I'm not getting to the age now, that's where I want to spend most of my time at. But there she is. I did a little test spot here last night. I taped it off right there. It's not done. The boat, unfortunately, is real rough. Real rough. You can see that and see what it used to look like. Real beautiful color. If you have any experience in doing this type of stuff, please hit me up, message me, comment, tell me what I could do to make it better. I do not want to get the boat gel coated and resprayed. My other option would be to get the boat wrapped if this doesn't come out like I want. But you can see that's a lot better than what it was. It looked like that side I just showed you. And I just wet sanded a little bit of this. I still got to wet sand all this up here. I want to take all this. I'm just test spotting right now, seeing how I'm going to like it. And then I'm going to be getting new material to put new padding and stuff. I took that one off. It was torn up anyway. And like I said, most likely, I'm not sure, this boat would probably get sea decking or something equivalent. I found some really cool colors that will kind of go with the boat. But that's her. It's a 1998 Triton TR20 with a 200 Mariner EF5 on the back. The way the boat sits with the old batteries, it will do 61 to like 63 miles per hour depending on the water conditions. I want to get more in the higher 60s, low 70s, which should probably be some motor work and different prop. My Ranger I had would do 71, 72. So if I get around that, I'll be happy. But I'm not sure that Mariner doesn't seem to be as spicy, if you want to say that, like my old motor did. It don't have the hump to it like it used, like my other one. But there we go, guys. If you watch this whole video through my slurring and everything else, I really appreciate it. I mean, now, like I said, I like feedback. Supposedly this is one of the best boats Triton made back in the day. Well, I think it's a great layout. I like the layout of the boat. I just got to get her cleaned back up, get her back in her glory days. Some new modern upgrades will be nice. Probably end up changing the grass eventually, do something a little bit newer. Trolling motor works great. It has the eye palette, spot lock, whatever. I like that. That's amazing. Well, thank y'all for watching. Like I said, if you feel like liking, subscribing, following, whatever it is y'all do on here, feel free. And I'll do the same to y'all. Thank you very much. Have a great day.